Guys, this video is about an app I downloaded for sound effects. And the name of the app is Big Button Sound Effects. Basically, I was looking for an app that can do funny sounds and other sounds for videos. So let's start with the first sound, air horn. Oh yeah, baby. This one. Whoa! Surprise! Alert. So, you can repeat the sound. If you can see this button here, it's you don't have to press it again. Alien invasion. And it's very like that particular sound is a little bit long and it's cool. Oh, someone sneezing. Pollen allergy. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have to play it again. Watch out for the bike horn. And I'm gonna drop a bomb. And of course, if I hit the 1,000 subscriber, I'm gonna be doing so let's cheer up and open a bottle. Champagne, Coca-Cola, whatever you like to drink. That doesn't sound like a bouncing ball. It's fine. And broken bubbles. Hooray! And a buzzer. You are disqualified. Buzzing tone. Okay, it repeats by itself 2 times. And the car alarm, let's see. Yep. Car horn. A lot of traffic. When you're and I want some money, so cashin, cashin. It's shoo. Yep. Coin drop. This is a communicator. Doesn't sound like computer tone. Old tone. This is the crowd. All right, so I like the crowd one and the applause. Applause is like less cheery than the crowd. Crowd is like, that's a cuckoo clock, and this is another cuckoo. That one sounds like the battery is running off.
You have a message.
Sounds of messenger back in the day.
You have a message.
Coupon. This one is a bad word.
Damn!
Okay, so if you're making a video of ladies on bathing suit walking on the beach or something and you want to impress in your video, you can use this sound.
Damn!
What pops up in my mind is like when you have a great idea and that idea it's most likely to save the day. This button, this pleasure. More like a booing sound. And the DJ. Yeah. Okay, DJ warning. Doorbell. Doppler. I don't know. Elephant. Yep. Emergency. This is the error button. Not a big fan of that. That one is like very, very catchy. You're dropping a ghosted kind of a thing. And when people talk to that, that's what we do. Gone. Okay. Sub-Zero wins. Kind of stuff. Oh. No, I'm not going to be using that one. Or that one. Gym whistle. Okay. Cue horse. This one is the hunting. More like a shooting. Ignition engine. Yeah, okay. That one, what comes to my mind is for the ignition engine is for people that do kind of mechanic videos, like car fixing stuff. Instant message. Ooh, cool. Joke drum. Wow, this app has a lot of buttons. A lot of options. Jungle. Karate. Kisses. That sounds like a door opening. Klaxon. That one is funny. Knock door. Who's there? Hello, who's there? Little gun. Yep. Machine. A lot. Okay. Man sneezing. Salut. Bless you. Morse code. SOS. Move. Okay. Murder mystery. That one is for nice people like you. And office hour. And office 4. Oh my god. Only a test. Annoying.
This is only a test.
Oh yeah, we all heard that sound on TV. Playing. Police siren. Okay. A question. That's cool if you're doing like a game. A gaming video kind of a thing, like trivia or whatever you like. Race by. Reveal. Okay, I get it. Rewind effect. Cool. Robotic.
Text message received.
Rocket. Rubber ducky. Okay. Up. Scary again. Family Adam kind of stuff. That's the school bell. The shot clock. Gun. Slide. Sneeze. Snore. Oh, God. That snoring is a little disturbing. That one is funny. Water splash. Squeaky toy. Stretch. Wow, this app has a lot of sounds. Submarine. Okay. Or machete. Thunder. Ticking. For trivia stuff. Tone. Okay. Truck horn. Very loud. Viking horn. Walkie-talkie. Oh my God. That Walmart kind of stuff when you're like walking in the aisle and there's sales representative with a walkie-talkie and then you hear that. What a drop. And the last one, but not least, is the whistle. Yes, guys. Like, I don't know. This app has tons of sounds. Like 30, no, like 50, I would say. I haven't counted them. So yeah, I hope you like this video. And maybe download this app so you can have fun reproducing sounds. Okay, so see you random people. Bye.